Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. Rohan, we have completed half century in France today. First of all, how are you feeling?
Well, I'm a bit relieved that I'm going back home, but I did not expect that I would be saying this. But yes, I would be missing France. I would be missing Paris a bit. Right now, bright sunny day beside the Seine River in front of the Eiffel Tower. It's feeling quite good, but yes, I will be missing Paris a bit. 10 days ago, I wouldn't have said that because I was really homesick and wanted to go back to home. But yes, it has been a stellar campaign. We witnessed a historic Paralympics. We hope to witness a historic Olympics, but that didn't happen. But it was overall a perfect campaign in Paris, I would say.
For me, of course, the Olympics was historic as well because the 6 4th places does not happen
yeah.
every Olympic, which means we are moving forward. And if you actually see, we got 6 medals. So Tokyo was 7, here 6. Yes, 1 medal less, but we have crossed, like we have permanently almost crossed that 5 medal benchmark, and now on to the 10. But Paralympics, of course, has been completely different experience, stellar experience. Yes, I would have loved it had we had a little more of Indian media involved. But the overall campaign was fantastic. In fact, there are 6 4th places and 29 medals. That's a lot. But
You are being greedy now.
yeah, I know. But overall, how would you rate the different places that we have been to? We actually went to Ras as well. Then we had a sports conference in Ras. We also went to Luxembourg one day,
Half day.
half day. Yes, and we actually walked walked around the city, and we
walked around.
covered the entire city by walking.
Yes.
But what if I ask you, say, 2 or 3 favorite moments of yours or favorite memories of yours from France?
I'm going beyond sports in this one
Yes.
because leaving aside the Olympics and Paralympics memories, I would just go about the entire trip of 50 days. First, I would say is the Champagne tour. It was fantastic. I really loved it. It was my first time in such a big champagne tour vineyard. I would say tasting champagne. It was the whole experience. Second, I would say yes, the museum, the Second World War Museum. That was fantastic. It gave me goosebumps that it was the place where Second World War actually ended.
Ended, yeah.
And the cruise on the Seine River, it was fantastic. It was really lovely. And sorry for making that silly comment of comparing it with the Ganga cruise,
Of
but
course,
yes.
because both of us were. There was a phase. There was a 7-day phase in between where we were very, very homesick. I think that is when we were comparing everything from the birds to the stones, everything to Kolkata, and just in our head, kind of trying
But Kolkata Metro is better.
I agree. I completely
Metro
agree.
is-
Kolkata Metro is better. But before we end, my 3 moments. My 2 moments would be, one, definitely the World War Museum, and the other one, oh, I love the park. The park in Ras. It
Yeah.
was beautiful.
Oh, how can
how
can
can
I
we
for-
forget the League One game
The
that we
League One
watched?
match, yes, that was one bucket list tick for me because
Absolutely.
League One match, though Reims versus Lille match, not the best of the teams, but yes, it's a first division European league
Absolutely.
match. So that's a bucket list tick for me.
So in this tour, we have actually ticked a lot of bucket list, taking a lot of learnings, a lot of memories, and finally going back home to some rice and dal.
Yeah, that has been a problem, because even if I ordered palak paneer, it was not that spicy palak paneer which we get in.
We are missing the spice, exactly. I think
It's too less spice over here.
we had also planned to open our own roll shop and all that crazy thought. But the biggest support throughout has, of course, been our team members back in Kolkata and our leader, Boria Majumdar. The bigger support, I would say, would have been from you guys, because you guys have continuously watched our coverage and commented. But you have to keep doing that. So keep doing that, and we'll keep bringing you more sport news and coverage. Thank you so much.